So this is what Monday looks like right now. What a big mess. Just trying to clear out all my clothes and gonna throw them out. Probably donate them as well. So yeah, Monday fun day.
This monstrosity must be destroyed.
Much better. So what do I do with the extra clothes I got? I have over about 100 pounds of extra clothes. I still have some in the trunk. So what I usually do is donate them there. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't think it's gonna fit. Alright, now I gotta clean all this shit. Gotta find like a recycle bin somewhere. So for my week 7, my macros actually went down a bit. Last week it was the same as the previous week and I didn't lose much. So for this week I'll have 54 grams of fat, 235 grams of carbs, and 195 protein. And today I'm just taking a rest day before I do legs for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna relax and chill. And I'm actually gonna barbecue some chicken. So I'll show you guys what I got here. So I've been marinating this for an hour now. It's just simple. I put Flavor God seasonings, so all seasoning and garlic and lemon. And then I would put some soy sauce and some sriracha and Worcestershire sauce. So you guys should definitely try that. Shout out to all the MR2 owners out there. This is my little gem right here. Probably record a better video of this, but yeah, this is my baby right here. '91 Toyota MR2 Turbo. Smells so good from here. But you know what's even better? Tastes so good, guys. I hope you guys use my recipe because it's really good. Well, I'm not sure if you guys have Flavor God, but if you guys do, try this out. Damn. I have to say this is like one of the best grilled chicken I've ever cooked. The flavors is just out of this world. Oh, woo. if you guys have Flavor God, make sure to use this. This is the everything seasoning right here. Everything spicy seasoning. And then we put lemon garlic seasoning. And then you put some of this. Not sure if many of you guys have this, but if you're Asian, there you go. Date Petit Toyomansi. And then you put some sriracha. And then Worcestershire, I can never say that one. But put that as well. And then boom, here you guys have it. But anyways guys, I'm gonna eat around 300 grams of that since I'm pretty low on protein today. And that's pretty much what I do on my rest day. Just relax, cook something, and go for a drive on my MR2. And this summer shredding episode 7 would probably be in 2 parts, 3 parts even. I like to pump as much videos as I can. That way, more content on the channel as well as more practice for me. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.